Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning slow motion effects in Inshot. Whether you want to slow down a special moment or add a dramatic effect, this tutorial will show you how to do it step by step. So let's get started. First of all, find the Inshot app on your home screen. Now open it. Here you can find the option of video. Tap on it and add the video that you want to edit. Simply go to the gallery and select one video, just like this. Now you have selected the clip. Look for the speed option in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Slide to your right and here you can find the option of speed. Simply tap on it. Now to slow down your video, move the slider to the left. You can also change the speed by the curve option. Tap on it and you can adjust the speed by dragging the slider to your down. And that's how you create a smooth slow motion effect in Inshot. It's super easy to add the dramatic touch to your video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.